Hello everyone, welcome back to Moment Star. So after a long I'm uploading the video. Yes, I was a little busy with baby and household work. Okay, so this video is about a product review, and this product is Wonder Chef Nutri Blender. This I was looking to buy like long back. Not only this Wonder Chef, I was looking to buy a different one, but I thought with this price the product is really worthy, because almost I'm using this 2.5 months and I'm really happy with the product. So I thought of sharing you the review. This product comes with 2-year warranty, which is really good. Okay, so I have ordered red color. There are a lot of colors available like white, black, purple. So I think another one is Jing color, so you can select according to your choice. So now let me show you how does this blender looks like. It has two jar. One comes with 500 ml and they have given two caps. One seasoning cap, suppose we do some powders and all, we can do, and one after doing the smoothie or any juice, we can keep it store it, so that one cap has come. And with this machine itself I have received like Nutri Blender Sanjeev Kapoor's recipe book, one warranty card and user manual. So here is the machine. This really looks so pretty and cute, and it really looks good on the countertop. Whenever I look at the countertop, I feel like yes, it's looking gorgeous. Here is the warranty card, 2 years warranty. So there are two blades. One is blending blade and one is a grinding blade. In blending blade there are four sharp blade you can see, and this transparent see-through looks really gorgeous because whenever we do some smoothie, some juice or any grinding, we can really see how you can see here the four blade. We can see how much we need to blend it or grind it, so that it doesn't need always to open and check. So that is one good thing from my point of view. Okay, this is the two cap I was talking about. This is a seasoning cap. It's good. I am using whenever I do nuts powder or some chili powder I am using, and this is the cap to store you can do juice and store it to have it later. That is good. So about this product, until this my experience, I wanted to share you yes, one cons is it is little bit of noisy, looks small but heavy, not like our as usual normal mixture grinder, but this is comparatively looking, it's looking teeny but it has weight. And very good thing about this product is it doesn't give whenever I do smoothie in a normal grinder, that give a different taste. Okay, so I believe in this blender, as it takes less time, so we get the real taste of the product. It may be a chutney green chutney. Actually there is a huge difference in green chutney, especially when we do in our normal chutney jar of our mixture grinder, and when we do in this the colors stay as usual. Actually I have not demonstrated in this green chutney, but I will definitely share with you people. It keep the colors as usual, like green. You do palak puree and you can use for your baby food, you can blend your baby food in the small jar, and which helping me a lot. No need to wash a big jar. So here you can see this is the blending blade and this is the grinding blade. So this machine does not have a like no speed control button, like where in our mixer grinder we have 1 2 3 4 speed control. In this it does not have. We have to just plug in, and in the base you can see where it is mentioned do not remove. We have to fix to that, like normally we have to just give a push and rotate so that it gets locked and the machine will start automatically. So to on and off you need to just press the cup, that's all. So you will see when I will demonstrate you some recipes. Yes, that is a good benefit you guys are getting in the same video. You are seeing the product review as well demonstration also, so that you will get an overall idea how does the product works. And some people before buying they really wanted to know how does the our outcome of the product, that means how really it works. So let's see. So to start with the recipe, I am taking the grind blade and the small jar. I am doing a nuts powder. So I have taken here almond, cashew and peanut. I have already dry roasted it. So now let's see how much time it's taking to grind it. And as I mentioned, we have to just put it properly and rotate it. It will get start. 1 2 3. I believe it is done. So that's how it works, and it takes very less time, and so that we can save our electric consumption. So that is a one more added advantages. Okay. So now we will see the second recipe. The second recipe I am doing the smoothie. So that is like my favorite, and I mostly take it in my breakfast. So as I was not having yogurt, I am using here curd. So it is your choice. Don't judge the ingredients. It is all completely your choice. So when it was not pre-planned, so whatever the things I was having with me, so I have prepared the recipe. That is like I feel like cooking is definitely it is like art. Okay, it is not like okay we need to follow completely a definite recipe, not like that. So here I am taking some fruits, spinach, I sometimes take yogurt or curd, and to give the because we need to mix water or milk, it is your choice, but I like to use milk. So I have here used milk, and instead of sugar I am taking honey. So definitely guys, you should be happy because with the product review you are also getting recipes. Is not that great? Let me know in the comment section you like the recipe or the product review, which one which part you enjoyed a lot. Okay, so you can see it looks really delicious. So now we will see how much time it takes to blend. Again, I have not deleted any clips of this also. Yes, 1 2 3 start. Yes, it's really looking nice to see the the ingredients are getting mixed together, getting blend. It's really I'm enjoying. Actually, whenever I do the blending, I really love to see this because only it happens with glass and transparent things. As you people know, whoever is following me, glass jars, glass container is always my favorite and weakness. Okay, I think it is done. So yes, we will see the next recipe. So this last recipe is extra for you people, because you know already I have demonstrated the blending blade and the grinding blade. I thought, like, you know, nuts powder is an optional recipe for the people, like, you know, most of the people they may not use. So I thought this chutney recipe, definitely, like, you know, chutney is the most common like, you know, thing we do like, you know, every day for breakfast or for dinner or for lunch. So I thought of, like, you know, just demonstrating you this. So whatever the ingredients you like, you know, follow for your recipe, just include. I'm doing here the like, you know, simple coconut chutney. So I have added my ingredients, and I will blend it. I have just added very few, like, you know, little water. Now you can see, like, the good thing about this blending jar is it takes very less time. Yeah, it is. Okay, so to add the last point, I will tell you and conclude this video is, this is definitely a value for money and worth for money the product. And don't do late and buy the product if you are really, like, you know, liking. I will give the link in the description box, so please check. Okay, so we will meet soon with a new one interesting video. Till then, take care, bye bye. And to mention in the last, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please go and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the new video notification.